I am utilizing the Bit Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bit Integration Dashboard. Create integrations. Now select Amelia as a trigger. Copy the webhook URL and fetch. Go to Amelia Dashboard. And go to the setting. View Integrations setting. Webhook. Add new webhook. Give here a meaningful name. And paste the webhook URL. Choose here your desired type. I am choosing the appointment type. Also, choose here your desired action. I am choosing booking status changed. Save. Save. To fetch data, go to Appointment and change the status of the appointment from approved to pending. Go to the Integrations Dashboard. Data fetched successfully. Set action. Now, search and select Google Sheet. To get client ID and secret, please visit Google API Console. Now, search for Google Drive API. Click on Enable. Search for Google Sheet API. Click on Enable. Click on Credentials. Click on Create Credentials. Choose OAuth Client ID. Application type. Web application. Name. Bit Integrations. To get authorized redirect URI, go to Bit Integrations Dashboard and copy authorized redirect URI. Paste it here. Now, click on Create. Copy client ID. Paste it here. Copy client secret. Paste it here. Now click Authorize. Authorization is successful. Click Next. Choose your spreadsheet. Choose your worksheet. Now, map the fields. Here is the conditional logic. You can use it if you want. If the condition matches, then the data you will send to Google Sheet. Click Next. Click on Finish and Save. Now go to Amelia Appointment Dashboard and change the status from pending to approved. Now, let's go to our Google Sheet. As you can see, data successfully sent to Google Sheet. Thanks for watching.